Hi there, are you in need of 3D CAD models and engineering drawings? Well, you are in the right place. I am Adeel Akhtar. I specialized in creating awesome design using SolidWorks. Let me show you what I can do. Check out these amazing 3D model and engineering drawings I have created for previous clients. With SolidWorks, I can bring your ideas to life, whether it's designing mechanical parts, assembly files, or engineering drawings, or in anything in between. And the best part, I am dedicated to delivering high quality work on time within budgets, and your satisfaction is my a priority. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started on your project today. Contact me now to discuss your requirement, and let's turn your vision into reality. Thanks for watching.